Subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to never miss an update from Kautilya's Fincast.
Welcome to Kautilya's Fincast from 21st November to 30th November 2021. Let's begin with the corporate news. Infosys voluntarily committed to carbon neutrality in 2011, long before the birth of the Paris Agreement, and turned carbon neutral in financial year 2020. MSTI, which is a joint venture between Maruti Suzuki and Toyota Shusho Gather, has been shaped as a step towards a circular economy and to advance composed, straightforward and environment-friendly disassembling of ELVs. Xiaomi Corporation on 23 November 2021 detailed a smaller than expected 8.2% rise in third quarter income as smartphone deals development slowed down in the midst of forces competition from rivals. Bosch and GIZ are looking to improve the green urban mobility and transportation framework in India through an industry-led pre-competitive multi-stakeholder stage for advancement, collaboration and prototyping. Tata is talking to the southern states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Telangana and scouting for land for the outsourced semiconductor assembly and test plant. The plant will be constructed in 2 phases, and Xiaomi will also build its auto units, headquarters, sales and research offices in Beijing Economic and Technological Development Zone. Amazon India Operations Head Amit Agarwal has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate next week over alleged violation of foreign investment rules in a deal with the Future Group. This academic collaboration will be implemented through a research project funded by Holcim Innovation Center, Lyon, France. Let's begin with the market news. Inflows in the MF industry through SIPs reached Rs 67,000 crore in the 7 months of the ongoing fiscal, suggesting growing popularity of route for investment among retail investors. Shares of Reliance were at Rs 2,368 on 22 November 2021 after the company cancelled the deal with global oil giant for 20% stake acquisition in the oil-to-chemicals business. Shares of Airtel hit a new high of Rs 756 on 22 November 2021 intraday trade after the telecom services provider increased its tariffs for telecom subscribers. Several of the biggest investors in Paytm's record-breaking IPO added to their stakes in the Indian fintech giant after shares plunged by as much as 41%. This development happened at a time when TV ad volumes were higher by 11% year-on-year and 23% on a 2-year basis with 22% new advertisers. Jio led in active subscriber numbers while Bharti added most 4G customers. Vodafone India Limited continued to lose subscribers. CoinStore's $120 million fund, which is allocated for India's expansion, will be deployed towards marketing, hiring, and development of crypto-related products and services for the Indian market. DUSA Pharmaceuticals Incorporated has come to settlement with BioFrontera to resolve a case over misappropriation of exchange insider facts and unfair practice, taking after which DUSA will get $22.5 million. The secondary market on-screen offering by the central bank is characteristic of liquidity normalization, which makes a difference cut excess cash within the system. Let's begin with the economic news. India today handles the third largest domestic traffic after USA and China and has overcome many challenges to become one of the world's most lucrative aviation markets. The RBI cautioned the public against cooperative societies using bank in their names as well as accepting deposits from people who are not their members. Investor will need to hold 50% of the value as margin. This is largely to protect investors from massive swings in times of extreme stress or during bull runs. The government periodically revises the base year for major economic indicators to reflect the changes in the economy. The new series of Page Rate Index with base 2016-200 will replace 1963-65 series. The government is preparing to issue a cross-border insolvency resolution framework based on the unsettled model law that will apply to both corporate debtors and personal guarantors. Piyush Goyal said that government aims to eliminate burdensome compliances, change the frequency licenses and approvals, and rationalize the renewal process to promote the ease of doing business. In the aftermath of COVID and mounting debt due to heavy borrowing from China, Sri Lanka has turned to India for help to boost its sagging economy. In its Ecowrap, SBI suggests that the government examine existing definitions of the informal labor force in order to address the divergent developments in the Indian labor market. The Commerce Ministry should resolve issues that prevent India from signing FTAs with leading trade partners like the US and EU and enter into agreements that benefit the country.